व्यतिहारे स्वात्मरव्योरेकधाधीरुतद्विधा
रव्योरेकधाधीरुतद्विधा रवि रव्यो
व्यतिहारे स्वात्मरव्योरेकधाधीरुतद्विधा वस्त्वैक्यादेकधैक्यस्य कार्याय व्यतिहारगीः ऐक्येऽपि व्यतिहारोक्त्या दीर्घे देशस्य जीवता युक्तोपास्यैवाचनिः मूर्तिवत्कार्यमार्थिकम्
व्यतिहारे स्वात्मरव्योः एकदा उत द्विधा धीः व्यतिहारे स्वात्मरव्योः एकदा उत द्विधा धीः वस्त्वैक्यात् एकधा ऐकस्य दार्ढ्याय व्यतिहारगीः ऐके अपि व्यतिहारोक्त्या धीः द्वेधा मूर्तिवत् उपास्त्यै ईशस्य वाचनिकी जीवता युक्ता ईशस्य वाचनिकी जीवता युक्ता दार्ढ्यम आर्थिकम व्यतिहारे व्यतिहार Shruti Vakya in the Bhashya from Aitareya Aranaka and Jabala Upanishad, Jabala Shruti. So Vyatihare. So between reciprocity between whom? Swatma Ravyoho, between oneself and Ravi, Aditya, Surya. The Samshaya is Ekada Utadvidha Dhihi. Dhihi is Upasana. Is the Upasana one and the same or two types? Or are they two types of body? This is the Purapaksha says Vastvaikya. Both are one and the same Ishvara Swarup. Jiva is Hiranyagarbha is Aditya, Aditya is Hiranyagarbha is Jiva, both are the same but what? Ishvara Swarupa. When Vastu is one, Upasya is one, it should be one and the same Upasana and not two Upasana. Because two Upasanas are possible when two Upasyas are there. The Rupa of Upasana is actual Upasya. Now here, Vastu Eka, Vastu. Whether you take as Hiranyagarbha or Ishvara, Hiranyagarbha Ishvara, one and the same, abiding in Jiva and Ravi. It is reciprocally given. So therefore, Vastvaikya says, Vastvaikya Ekadha means Upasana is one and the same. Then why repeat? Simple. Aikyasya Dardhyaya Vyatiharagi. Aikyasya Dardhyaya. To assert and make it very first, I am you, you are me. Tat tvamasi tvam tadas. I am you, you are me. To make it very first. And this fellow will afterwards will get doubt. So that's why Vyatihara Gihi. Gihi means Uktihi. Vyatihara, the statement of reciprocity, is to make this identity confers the idea. This is the Pura Paksha. Now, Siddhanta says, Aike api. One thing is accepted. Identity between the Hiranyagarbha here, Hiranyagarbha there, or Ishvara here, Ishvara there, accepted. But in spite of that, there are two possibilities. Say, Aike api, even though Aike is taken for granted, it is true also that we have not disputed that. Vyatiharoktya, because of the statement of reciprocity. I am you, you are me. Vedha dhihi, dhihi is Veda. Means there are two upasana. Now two upasana. Now Pura Paksha has got an objection. Sir, you can't say so. See, what is your principle of upasana?
First should be one.
Nikrishta vastuni utskrishta tattva darshana. In a lower object, you see the higher principle. In Jiva, seeing Aditya Hiranyagarbha is understandable. But in Aditya Hiranyagarbha, Ishvara, you making him Jiva is devoting him. How can it be Upasana? You can't see a lower thing in a higher principle. It is again the very principle of Upasana. Upasanas are meant for Phala. For Phala Pachave, something betterment must be there. So therefore, how do you say that Hiranyagarbha or Ishvara is this who? Jiva. How is it possible? Jiva looking upon Jiva as Hiranyagarbha Ishvara, understandable, it is possible Upasana. But reciprocity is not possible. So therefore what you have to take? You should not take it as a separate Upasana. You should take it as only identity. Then it holds good. Both are one and the same. That is there for which an illustration is given. Parameshwara, Parabrahma is Swarupa or Arupa, without thought. And yet, you say, Shankha Chakra Gadadhari Chaturbhuda Vishnu Ashtabhuja Devi. Is it against the principle of? And yet it is given for dhyana. Because Vishnu Swarupataha is free from embodiment. And yet an idol, a rupa is given for what? Dhyana. Knowing fully well it is not true. It is not true. So therefore, like that, for Upasana, when the Shruti has said it, it has to be taken that way. Identity is understandable, but Shruti Vachaniki, Shruti is there just like this was a Shruti. What Vishnu is the same, Chaturbhuja, Ashtabhuja, all these things, that is about. You should see our Devis. So many hands and so many missiles and these weapons. One cannot kill here, one cannot do it. Mahishasura Vardhini, you have to see. So then, Tattva is free from Upadhi as well. So that's why when Shastra says, it has to be taken that only for Upasana and not in reality. Murtivat, like for Upasana, Brahma has 400, 800, etc. in a specific form is given. So also says Upastai, for the sake of Upasti, says Ishasya, or Ishvara, whether Hiranyagarbha or Ishvara, Vachaniki Jivata. Vachaniki means Vachananusarini. Vachaniki means Vachananusarini means Shrutyanusarini. Vachana here is what? Shruti. So Vachananusarini, Shrutyanu सारी वाचनिकी जीवता is what yukta. But I told you about identity. Yes. Okay. Dardhyam artikam. Dardhyam here is what? Confirmation of these two, aikya between these two. Artikam is a real fact. Artikam is a real fact. While doing this upasana, if it comes to your mind, both are one and the same, you are doubly blessed. Nothing wrong. While doing this upasana, because both are one and the same, if that understanding comes to you, you are blessed. It is a fact. It is a fact. But what is given is upasana, different upasana. But identity, yes. But the topic is not revealing identity. Topic of the Shruti is not revealing identity, but giving a upasana. And while doing upasana, because of identity, if you have got the knowledge that both are one and the same, it is all the more better. It is all the more. This Dardhyam Artikam, Dardhyam Artikam. Sutra Vyatihara Vishimshanti Hi Itarava. So Anvaya Vyatihara Itarava Hi Vishimshanti Vyatihara Itarava Hi Vishimshanti. Connection is given in Nyanaya line 4. Tattvamasi iti ekatopadeshasya upadeshantaravat. In earlier sutra, upadeshantaravat also. What Pura Paksha objected? This repetition is there. And therefore what? Different upasanas must be there. He said no. Like Tattvamasi, though repetition there, topic is Vidya is one and the same. That upadeshantaravat, like the Tattvamasi upadesha, so topic is one and the same. Iti anena sutravayena udaharatva. So now therefore what happens? The mind will conjecture. Wherever repetition is there, say book. See, illustration is given. Tattvamasi repetition at the same time is Vidya is same and not repetition. So the mind will conclude wherever there is repetition, upasana is one and the same. No exceptions are there. See, why it has to be done. Tatprasangena ekatvavadi vakyantaranam tatparyam. Some other sentences, statements of Shruti, which may appear to give one and the same Vidya because of repetition, no exceptions are being proven. So that is Vyatiharaha iti. What is Vyatiharaha? Ratnaprabha line 2. Jiveshayoho vitha visheshana vishesha bhava Vyatiharaha. Between Jiva and Ishvara, it says vitha. Vitha means mutual visheshana and vishesha bhava. Jiva is Ishvara, Ishvara is Jiva. Jivaha, Ishvaraha. Jiva became what? Adjective for who? Ishvara. Ishvaraha, Jivaha. Ishvara became the adjective for who? Jiva. Earlier, Jivaha, Ishvaraha. Jiva was visheshana, Ishvara was vishesha. Ishvaraha, Jivaha. Ishvara becomes visheshana and Jiva becomes the vishesha. Vyatihara. Reciprocity, exchange, interchange. Now it says Vyatiharaha Itaravat. What is that Itaravat? This refers to the Shruti Tad Yo Ham So Sao Yo Sao Soham will see in the Aitareya and Jabala Vakya will see. So in this Vakya, Vyatiharaha is itaravat. See, look, this pratihara, reciprocity in the same, is not only with respect to Jiva and Ravi or Ishvara, but also with respect to some other gunas also. What are those? Say, for example, say Sarvatmatva. Sarvatmatva is given as a guna for what? Interchanging both. Ishvara is Sarvatma, Jiva is Sarvatma? No. And still it is given. Sarvatma means what? Atma of all. If you become Atma of all, then end of it. Sure. Jiva is Atma of all. Not the Ishvara is Atma of all. Not Jiva. But Pratihara is given. Why? Vachaniki. Shruti has given so. Like that itaravat, like other gunas or dharmas given for upasana, he Vishayam Shanti. He means because Vishayam Shanti. Who Vishayam Shanti? Amnataraha. Amnatara literally means those who recite the Shruti. Those who recite Shruti, from where they will recite, what is there in the Shruti? The Shruti itself is the same. You are me, I am you. This Pratihara, who will give Shruti itself. So therefore, they are what? Two different upasanas.